Seeing the president of China, Xi Jinping, probably one of the most powerful people on the planet, coming to openly embrace blockchain technology, I believe that this is a watershed moment for the industry.
So I'm here now with Matty Greenspan, Senior Market Analyst at eToro, and this is our first interview that we've done together in person, not on Skype.
That's right, yeah.
It feels crazy, right?
It's been a long time coming.
It has been a long time coming, so welcome to Malta. It's great to have you here.
Thanks for inviting me.
It's great to have you, and it's great to talk to you. You've not got your eToro charts behind you, so we're going to have to do this a little bit. I know, it looks so different. We can't work out what's wrong. But I want to ask you about the markets, because in the past 3 weeks, we obviously saw this kind of bullish momentum from China, and it shifted the markets in an upward direction. I want to get your take on what we've seen.
Yeah, it's amazing. We've known China's stance on Bitcoin and blockchain for a very long time. However, seeing the president of China, Xi Jinping, probably one of the most powerful people on the planet, coming to openly embrace blockchain technology, I believe that this is a watershed moment for the industry.
And I also saw on your Twitter that you were picked up by Being Crypto, and they were now reporting on your crypto portfolio. It's newsworthy news, which I'm loving. So they were talking about the fact that you had Neo, which is obviously a China-based crypto. Is that where the industry is looking right now as being quite bullish, is these Chinese projects?
Well, yeah, and I've done a research paper on Neo recently, and I think that because China's embracing blockchain and they're not necessarily all Bitcoin-ish, so Neo is actually a Chinese regulatory compliant. They have had China's regulators in mind from the very beginning. So it's very likely that as blockchain startups come across, they're going to look for some established public blockchain, and Neo is right there for them. So I believe that it's very likely that we'll get a lot of projects on that blockchain pretty soon.
And I also saw that you'd reached out on Twitter and you'd said that actually November is always a crazy month for prices, so expect something maybe a little bit shaky. What can people that are holding crypto or trading, what can they expect from November?
Yeah, remember the 5th of November, of course. No, as being a trader, you got to kind of take these things with a pinch of salt, right? Because there's no specific day of the week or month of the year that's any more or less volatile. Yes, according to history, there have been some amazing Novembers in the past, and I think that if November is anything like October, we could be in for a very wild ride.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Matty. It's great to have you in Malta. It's great to meet you in person finally. Such a pleasure. Thank you so much.
Pleasure is mine. Thank you.
Thank you. That's all for myself and Mr. Matty Greenspan. If you want to share your thoughts, please drop a comment in the comment box below.